So today we will see how to prepare curry very easily within 5 minutes. So all you need to do is take some vegetables, and you can also make some chutney within 2 minutes. So you can have some green leaves like this. So in this I took some coriander leaves, spinach, and different other spinaches, and some curry leaves, and I have manavata. So these are you call it mint leaves, and I have methi leaves. Because I have grown all these in my garden the organic way, so that's why it's chemical free. I make a fresh chutney. You don't need to boil anything. And in this chutney you can make with the little bit groundnut. So we can make some sprouts also if you want, and some protein part. And you can have for spice you can have pepper, black pepper, and cumin seeds, good for digestion, and some little bit ginger piece. And if you have a turmeric root, you can have a little bit turmeric root. So this way, these are the ingredients. You can make a very healthy chutney, very easy to make in 2 minutes. We'll see how to make it. And then curry. So how to choose the vegetables first of all. So when you have the root vegetables, some root vegetables like carrots, and fresh ones you can choose, and then some creeper vegetables like this is a ridge gourd, birkaya, and this is bitter gourd, all you know. So these are very nutritious vegetables. So that's why you have at least one creeper vegetables every day, and have more vegetables. So one person can have 250 grams to 400 grams every day in the curry. So the vegetables. And all you need to do is just steam it without putting anything. Just don't boil in water or don't fry in oil. That is very important. All you need to do is just take a stainless steel vessel or a pot. You can put root vegetables at the bottom, and then creeper vegetables at the top, and then have a little, add very little water, just to make sure it's not ticking. And close it completely and switch it on, and put it in low temperature. This is very important. So this will help you in making steaming highly nutritious and without losing the nutrition. Because if you boil in water boiling point is 100 degrees centigrade. So never boil vegetables in water, because until 100 degrees centigrade it won't actually get cooked. So that's why steam it. That's the best way to cook and keep the nutrition in vegetables is just steaming without keeping the water. Water is only just a little bit added for the bottom and not to stick in the bottom. Okay. So and when you keep it lid completely closed, it won't stick in the bottom. So within 5 minutes you can make the curry. So meanwhile we'll see how to make the chutney. So you can put all these ingredients, very easy to make. All you need to do is just put all these ingredients together into your mixer. This is also very good for digestion. This warm we say, like it's like tastes like azwain. So you can grow all these things very easily at home, organically, healthy. So all you need to do is add a little bit of water. Don't add too much. And if you want, you can also add some vegetables after steaming, so that you get a very good taste and consistency. That's it. So very easy to make this green chutney. So so your food becomes alkaline, the pH value will be more, and your blood pH will be more than 8.5 by maintaining this green chutney every day. And at the same time you will have a very good vitamins, and it will fulfill your iron content and all these minerals and vitamins, A vitamin. So very good nutrients. These days people are becoming anemic because they are not eating in a right way, right cooking. So similarly, when you cook these vegetables, so do not open the lid, just keep it for 5 minutes, it will be steamed. So then you can switch off the stove. Maximum, if you have more vegetables, it takes 10 minutes. But don't keep too much time, too long time. But let it become soft, no problem. But don't cook too much. So that's the main thing you need to remember. And you can eat this thing along with you. So if you want to add a little bit of taste, you can add a little tadaka, with dry roasted black gram dal, and some dals like sesame seeds, and those kind of things you can add in this if you want to add a little bit without oil. So if you want to use oil, like very little cold press oil, you can use a spoon of oil and make a tadka in your own way. But that's up to you. And I have not added any salt. Of course, this is naturally salty because the spinach and everything has got very good sodium content. So you don't need to add any extra salt. And similarly, we have more vegetables. So when you're eating more vegetables like this, it's very high alkaline food, and your body becomes, and your mind becomes pleasant, and your blood circulation will be easier, and fiber content will be more, and lot of required nutrients will be there, like vitamins and minerals. And it also gives you good resistance power, especially immune power is very important at the moment. So you need to improve the immune power by doing the kind of a green chutney every day, and one kind of a green steamed vegetables in your diet. So include this every day. Make sure that you are eating at least 250 to 400 grams of vegetables, and at least these many green leaves, every person I'm telling about. So that way you make your family cooking plan. So one chutney, in chutney you can add sesame seeds, roasted sesame seeds powder, and you can add any kind of nuts roasted, so that will become a very good tasty chutney. And you can also add some coconut if you want, fresh coconut. So that way the chutney, you can make it very tasty chutney with just in 2 minutes. And you can prepare curry within 5 minutes. And this one also, you can, if you want, you can have a tadka. Otherwise you can eat the steamed vegetables along with some boiled millets. So that this is easy and simple cooking. Save your time, save your health, be healthy. Thank you.